37 degrees and getting colder.
Oh yeah, the Arctic air is barging on into the metro area. It's been kind of banked up against the Cascades in central and eastern Oregon, and now it's funneling through the gorge and moving on in here too. Wind chills in the 20s in West Lynn, 27 is what it feels like there, and only 29 in Sherwood and Hillsborough. So we're already cold, but temperatures are actually going to drop to the 20s tonight, and that means the wind chill will be in the teens at times and low 20s as we head through early tomorrow morning, sliding to the east side, and the wind chill here in the 20s and 30s too. And around the area, Government Camp, it feels like 18 there. It feels like it's in the low to mid 30s along the coast too, so the coastal areas get inundated with this Arctic air as well. And then single digits for Bend and Redmond, and you're going to have temperatures down into the low single digits tonight, so that means sub-zero wind chills for you with the coldest stuff up in the Cascades. Overnight lows tonight down into the 20s, teens, and even single digits across parts of central Oregon. As far as the snow is concerned, it is really starting to wind down. We still had a lot of it coming down earlier this morning for the Cascades, but it's tapered off there. And as you head east out towards the Wallowas and the Blue Mountains, we're starting to see some of that snow taper off too. It'll take through the rest of the night really to get rid of all of it, and then the cold settles in. So that means the roads will still be pretty tough to get through because that cold air is just going to seal everything in. This is what it looked like on the ride up to Mount Hood Meadows this morning, and over the weekend it even was Sunday anyway. It was even pretty brutal, but if you could manage it, definitely worth the drive up. This is what it looked like out there. Lots of snow, over 2 feet of it for Mount Hood Meadows. There were the snow champions, but Timberline picked up a little more than 2 feet too, and then even Ski Bowl able to open up its lifts as they picked up 1.5 feet of snow. So it was just wonderful news for the ski resorts over the weekend. The snow tapers tonight, then it's time for bluebird skies and that powder as we head to the next day or two. Weather headlines, that snow ends tonight, but the cold sticks around all week. Strongest winds, we're still dealing with the wind though. That happens tonight between midnight and 9 a.m. and we'll stay blustery though through Wednesday, and then a freezing start of course to 2015. Your New Year's Eve forecast, and I should say this is the forecast for right when we ring in the new year. 27. It'll feel like it's in the low 20s though. Temperatures will quickly fall into the upper 20s once the sun goes down, so you better bundle up. It is going to be a very cold start to 2015. Coastal areas, a cold one for you tomorrow, upper 30s for highs with sunshine and breezy conditions. I-5 highs in the mid 30s there, a blustery day, but definitely not as strong as what we'll see in the northern Willamette Valley. Central and eastern Oregon, temperatures in the teens and 20s for highs and sub-zero wind chills, so cold, bundle up, but sunshine. And the Cascades, dangerous wind chills through about noon, and then it warms up a bit and those winds start to relax a bit. Snow moving on out, so we'll see more sunshine tomorrow there. And then your 7-day forecast shows the dry weather sticks around and the cold sticks around here in Portland too. Highs in the 30s, lows in the 20s. Tonight we're down into the mid 20s, low to mid 20s for the next few nights, and then finally above freezing as we head into the weekend. Going into Friday, we'll have to watch for some freezing fog, but as far as any wintry weather, looks like the moisture holds off until we warm things up a little bit, so we're not going to have to worry about that potential. So good news there.
But still, everybody out and about for New Year's Eve is going to get a little shock.
It is going to be cold. You're going to want to get all the coats, scarves, and snuggle up close, I guess.
To kiss, yes.
That's right.